Talking about favorite books, I believe that by reading books can broaden our knowledge. No need to go to France in order to know how tall the Eiffel Tower is. Just reading a book. I consider myself as a book lovers. I love reading. When I was a child, I spent 3 hours to read 6 books. They were just comics.
I love it. I love that.
I love reading since elementary school, and nowadays I love to read heavy stuff like astronomy, psychology, neuroscientifics, and so on. So, if you ask me, what is your favorite book? Pick one or pick two. Well, I will pick first one is novel. Kita bertasbih.
Allah.
I love romance. The second one is mengenal Allah lewat akal. So I found very interesting fact. The author is Harun Yahya. Perhaps you guys know who he is. Turkish. His real name is Adnan Oktar. Adnan Oktar. Yeah. So he explained that literally we are nothing. We are not exist. But every day every day the activity that we do is based on our sense. So we have 5 sense. So all of that 5 sense